All right, back to section 4. We're going to talk about some multi-step equation solving. Again, staying with the one variable. This time it's more than 2 steps. So first question is A, then B, then C. I'll give you a moment to copy A down. -10 equals 3, parentheses, x plus 8. Again, the reason why they're called multi-step, because there's more than 2 steps in order to solve the equation for the variable x. Notice parentheses, and again, going back to a prior lesson, we have to distribute the 3 to everything inside. So I always draw these little arrows over top. That's just to help remind me that I have to distribute. So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 8, which is 24. And it still equals -10 sitting here on the left. Now this question becomes a 2-stepper. We had to distribute first. Now we're down to the 2-stepper stage. 3x plus 24, I'm trying to get the 3x by itself. Again, what's the opposite of positive 24? Negative 24. Or you can think of it as subtract 24. Whatever I do to the right, we do to the left. That becomes 0. And I have 3x left over on the right hand side. Over here I have negative 34. The last step, the opposite of 3 times x. Again, opposite of multiplication is division. And I'm all set. X equals negative. 3 goes into 34 is the 11 times with, I think, 1 left over. There's your final answer as a fraction. You could divide this out, you'll get a decimal, negative 11.3 repeating. So you could have either answer would be fine. Letter B, right here in the middle. Again, multi-step, looks like there's a lot going on. 10x minus 4, parentheses, 8 minus x, close parentheses, equal 12. So it looks like we got to take care of some stuff here on the left-hand side first. So think of order of operations, parentheses first. Oh, then I'm going to have to distribute. So let's distribute right away. Take care of this 4. And notice this is a minus 4. So what I'm going to do is I can change that to a plus and put a negative on the 4. That way I distribute a negative 4 to everything. It may make things a little easier later on. So 10x is sitting out front. Negative 4 times 8. Negative 32. Negative 4 times negative x. Positive 4x. Again, watch yourself here at negative 4 times a negative x. Negative times negative is positive. Equals what? So again, all I did, the first thing was just distribute. Now I'm looking here at the left-hand side. I notice I have 10x and 4x. They are like terms. I'm going to combine those together. That'll give me 14x minus 32 equals 12. Now if you notice at this stage, there's now a 2-stepper. Almost done. Add 32 to both sides. You get 14x is equal to 44. And then last step, divide by 14. So you could reduce here. You could leave it 44 over 14. And notice that they're both even, so I'm going to reduce top and bottom by 2. 22 over 7. And then if you want to, 7 goes into 22 3 times, giving us 1 left over. So either answer would be acceptable. And C, the last one we're going to do for multi-step. This time a lot of things are on the right side instead of left side. So notice that we have to distribute a little bit here, and then we're going to add 10 and take away 6x. from that and then keep right on going with the equation solving. Again, notice these, again, multi-step, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 steps involved to get a final answer. And some of these you'll have on your worksheet, maybe not as lengthy, but you'll have some that require you to do more than 2 steps. I just want to give you some examples so you have something to go by. So here's my question. First thing I'm going to do, I notice I got to distribute. So distribute the 2 to everything. 2x, 2 times -4 is -8. Again, don't do anything with the 20. Add 10 minus 6x. Notice here on the right, I have x's and I have numbers. Let's simplify those together. 2x minus 6x, -4x. And what I like to do when I simplify things, I cross them off. So I know that I've already put those together. I'm not going to make a mistake by putting other things together. A -8, +2, or +10 gives us a +2. Again, numbers, if this is my last stage, I'm all done. Notice again, the x's are crossed out because I already simplified those together, so I don't confuse them with the numbers by themselves. 20 is still on the left. At this stage, 2-stepper question. Take away 2 from both sides. 20 minus 2 is 18, equals -4x. And then the last stage, just divide by -4. Okay. X equal, let's see, 4 goes into 18 4 times and 2 left over. And there's a negative on my answer. Okay. So -4, 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. Or if you like, -4.5. That looks like a familiar answer from a prior lesson that we did, something like that. So I just want to give you some examples of multi-step equations. It is the exact same section, section 4, just trying to give you more. Okay? Good luck on those worksheets.